Hello friends, how are you doing? I hope you all are keeping well. I welcome you all on the platform. Don't memorize, just clear the concept. Today we are going to move on to our next exercise, that is exercise number 2.6. And this exercise is just a revision of all the concepts we have discussed earlier. So in this lecture we would deal with some of the equations which are in the form of rational numbers and a few word problems. So without wasting much time, let's get started.
So friends, today we are going to move on our next exercise, that is exercise number 2.6. Here we go with our first problem, that is solve the linear equation. We are given a linear equation, that is x minus 3, 8x minus 3 upon 3x is equal to 2. Now this statement is in the form of rational numbers. First of all, we would remove this denominator. We would transpose this denominator 3x to the other side. We know that when we transpose any number in division, when we transpose it to the other side, it gets its change into the multiplication. So it would become 8x minus 3 is equal to 2 into 3x. Now we would transpose the terms with x to one side and constant terms on the other side. Multiplying 2 with 3x, we got 6x. So we got 8x minus 3 is equal to 6x. Transposing 6x to the left hand side, we converted it into the negative sign. So 8x minus 6x is equal to, we transposed 3 to the right hand side, minus 3 to the right hand side. When we shifted it to the right hand side, it would be converted into the positive sign. So we got 8x minus 6x is equal to 3. 8x minus 6x is equal to 2x. So we got 2x is equal to 3 and x is equal to 3 upon 2. We know that 2 is divided by x, multiplied by x. When we shift it to the other side, then it would go in the division. So we got x is equal to 3 upon 2, which is the required answer or required value of x. Now moving to the next problem. Here is 7y plus 4 upon y plus 2 is equal to minus 4 upon 3. Now here what we would do, we would just cross multiply both the terms. We would transpose 3 to this side and y plus 2 to right hand side. When we transpose 3 to left hand side, here it is in the division sign. When we shift it to the other side, it would be in the multiplication sign. So it would become 3 into 7y plus 4 is equal to minus 4 remains minus 4, and here we transposed y plus 2 to the other side. It is here, it is in the division sign, but when we transpose it to the other side, it would be in the multiplication. So we got minus 4 multiplied by y plus 2. Now we would solve these brackets. 3 would be multiplied with 7y and 3 would be multiplied with 4. Applying the distributive property, we got 71y, 21y, 3 7s are 21, so 21y plus 3 4s are 12 is equal to minus 4 multiplied by y, we got minus 4y, minus 4 multiplied with plus 2, we got plus minus is equal to minus, so we got minus 8. Now we will shift this y term to the left hand side and constant term to the right hand side. 21y plus 4y, because this 4y was in negative sign. Here when we shifted it to the left hand side, it transformed into the positive sign. Minus 8 and this plus 12 is converted into the minus 12 as we have shifted it from left hand side to right hand side. Now solving this, 21y plus 4y is equal to 25y. Now minus 8 and minus 12 is equal to minus 20. So y is equal to minus 20 upon 25. Simplifying it, 5 4s are 20 and 5 5s are 25. We got the value of y, that is equal to minus 4 upon 5, which is the required value or required value for this equation. Now next is our word problem. Let me read it for you. The ages of Hari and Harry are in ratio 5:7. 4 years from now, the ratio of their ages will be 3:4. Find their present ages. Now let us suppose this is Harry and this is Hari. Hari and this is Harry. Their ages are in ratio 5:7. So it means that the age of Hari is the multiple of 5 and age of Harry is the multiple of 7. So we can suppose that the age of Hari is equal to 5x and age of Harry is equal to 7x. But 4 years from now, when they got older, then the age of Hari would be 5x plus 4 and age of Harry would be 7x plus 4. Now the ratio of their ages after 4 years. It's given in our question that the ratio of their ages after 4 years is equal to 3:4. So now ratio of their ages after 4 years is equal to 5x plus 4. This is the age of Hari, and 7x plus 4, this is the age of Harry. This would be equal to 3/4. Now we would cross multiply them as we have done in the last question. 4, we would multiply 4 with 5x plus 4 and 7x plus 4 would be transposed to the other side and it would be multiplied with 3. So we got 4 multiplied by 5x plus 4 is equal to 3 multiplied by 7x plus 4. Here we cross multiplied the two terms. Solving them, we got 4 multiplied by 5x is equal to 20x. 4 multiplied by 4 is equal to 16. This is equal to 3 into 7x, 21x. 3 into 4 is equal to 12. Now 20x plus 16 is equal to 21x plus 12. Now we would transpose this term with x to the left hand side. It would become 20x minus 21x, because we have shifted 21 to the other side. It would be converted into the negative, and 12 minus 16. Here 16 was in positive sign, but when we transposed it to the other side, it would be converted into the negative. Now solving this 20x minus 21x, we got minus x is equal to minus 4. Minus minus got cancelled with each other, so x is equal to 4. Here we got the value of x, but now the present age of Hari is 5x. So it is equal to 5 into 4, that is equal to 20 years. And present age of Harry, that was 7x. So it is equal to 7 multiplied by 4, that is 28 years. So like the way we have found the ages of Hari and Harry, that is 20 years and 28 years respectively, which was asked in our question. So this is the required answer. So now let us move on to our next statement. The denominator of a rational number is greater than its numerator by 8 if the numerator is increased by 17 and the denominator is decreased by 1. The number obtained is 3 upon 2. Find the rational number. Now we know that what is a rational number. We have discussed this so many times, that any number that can be expressed in the form of P upon Q is called rational number. The Q should not be equal to 0. Now our question says that denominator of a rational number, denominator, this is called numerator and this is called denominator, is greater than its numerator by 8. So we suppose that the numerator is x. If numerator is x, its denominator is 8 more than the numerator. So it would be x plus 8. Now next it says if the numerator is increased by 17. If the numerator is increased by 17, we increased the numerator by 17 and the denominator is decreased by 1. And let us decrease the denominator by 1. We decreased the denominator by 1. The number obtained is equal to 3 upon 2. Then it would be equal to 3 upon 2. This has become the linear equation in one variable, as we have already solved in previous sums. Now we would cross multiply the two terms. 2 would be multiplied with x plus 17 and 3 would be multiplied with x plus 8 minus 1. Now cross multiplying the two terms, we would be able to find out the value of x. Now here it would become x plus 7 because minus 1 would be subtracted from 8, it would become x plus 7. Now suppose in question when you have to solve this, you can write it like the way: the numerator is equal to x and denominator is equal to x plus 8. Now according to question, if the numerator is increased by 17 and the denominator is decreased by 1, the number obtained is 3 upon 2. Now x plus 17 upon x plus 7 is equal to 3 upon 2. Now we would cross multiply the two terms. We would get 2 multiplied by x plus 17 and 3 multiplied by x plus 7. Now solving this, we got 2x plus 34 is equal to 3x plus 3 multiplied by 7, 21. Now we would transpose 3x to the left hand side. We got 2x minus 3x is equal to 21. We transposed 34 to the right hand side. So we got 21 minus 34. 2x minus 3x is equal to minus x is equal to minus 13. X minus minus got cancelled with each other. So x is equal to 13 is the required answer. We have to find out the value of x now. So this is the required answer or the value of variable x. So friends, now we are with our next problem, that is solve the following equation. Now the variable is z. Z upon z plus 15 is equal to 4 upon 9. This is again a simple sum which we can solve by cross multiplying. Here is one more example. 3y plus 4 upon 2 minus 6y is equal to minus 2 upon 5. These two sums you have to solve yourself. Give them a try and try to find out the value of variable z and variable y. So it's all for today. With this we have completed chapter number 2, linear equations in one variable. I hope you have well understood the concept of linear equations. It's over for now. See you soon in the next lecture. Till then, bye bye and take care.